Hello and good morning. When I first bought my Land Rover, it didn't have a genuine Land Rover fuel cap in it, so I bought one of those but didn't attach this to it because I thought, no, I'd never forget it. When I fuel up, I'll always refit it, and that worked for 2 years until the last time I went to refuel. Unfortunately, I left this at the fuel station, and I went back later but it had gone. So I'm going to bite the bullet today, drill another hole in the truck and attach the umbilical cord to the bodywork. So about here I'm going to put a 6.5mm hole in the body. It's hollow behind, so there's nothing to worry about. I'm not going to drill through pipes or anything like that. So about there, I'm going to mark that up with a little bit of tape and make a hole. Okay, I've put a little bit of tape on there. That's about where I want the end to go, so place that there. There's a step drill again. The second step I've got to go to, that's 6mm. That's 4, 6. Now this is like a little anchor point. It's got a couple of lugs on it. But they tell me it's got to be 6.5mm, so 6 won't do it. Let's pop a 6.5mm drill in, just slowly. We're through, that's great. I'm going to deburr the back with a deburring tool, so there's no rough edges. And just around the edge where there's exposed metal, although it's aluminium, it's not going to rust, it could still corrode. I'm going to go over with a little bit of this clear lacquer, just brush a little bit of clear lacquer in, then we can pop that in. So I'll move the camera, get in the back, deburr it, and we'll pop the lacquer on. Alright, that's deburred on the back. I sprayed a little bit of lacquer into the lacquer pot, just with the cotton bud. Just go around the edges. Don't need to worry underneath, don't need to worry on the top. It's literally just the whole edge where the exposed metal is. So pop that round. I'm going to get that hour or so to go off. Then we'll come back and pop that peg in. But that's it. What put me off in the past, I thought behind this was bodywork. I didn't look properly, but it's actually straight out under the wheel arch, so it's not double layered, double skinned or anything like that. Had I known that, I would have done that earlier. But yeah, job done. 6.5mm hole, genuine Land Rover fuel cap. Pop it in, and I shouldn't lose this again, hopefully. Well, let the lacquer dry, then we pop that back in. Okay, that's the lacquer dried now. Let's just take that off. You can see it's just a screw-on cap. You can see a close-up on that. You've got a couple of barbs on the connector, or I don't know what you want to call it. It's the anchor anyhow. So we'll push that in. The lacquer's dried, so if I'm right with the hole size, there, pop straight in. So next time I'm down the fuel station, I can unlock it, take the key out. That'll sit there, just dangling down the side of the bodywork. Fill up, back in, lock it up. Job's a good one. So that's a nice simple one today. Been putting it off for a while, and basically it's cost me £30 for a new fuel cap. Whereas if I did it straight away, I'd be laughing. But that's all done now. So thanks for watching.